Yummo! Let's talk crispy potatoes. Welcome to my kitchen, where the magic of comfort food comes alive. If you're a fan of that irresistible crunch and golden color, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of homemade French fries and potato chips, the ultimate comfort food that brings everyone together. There's just something special about making these classics from scratch. Forget those frozen bags from the store. We're aiming for golden, crispy, restaurant-style perfection right in your own kitchen. Trust me, once you try homemade, you'll never want to go back. Why go through the effort? Because nothing beats the taste and satisfaction of something you made yourself. Each bite is packed with flavor, freshness, and a little bit of pride. Imagine pulling a batch of perfectly golden fries from the hot oil, the sizzle, the aroma filling your kitchen, and that first bite of crispy, fluffy goodness. It's pure magic, and it's easier than you think. Making your own fries and chips isn't just about food. It's about creating joy, sharing moments, and making memories. It's a snack everyone will crave, and a tradition you'll want to repeat. Whether you're a seasoned kitchen pro or just starting out, I'll walk you through every step. No fancy gadgets required, just a love for good food and a willingness to have some fun. We'll keep things simple and fun, no complicated techniques, just straightforward steps for delicious results. Good food should be easy and enjoyable to make. From picking the perfect potatoes at the market to learning the secret for that extra crunch, you'll discover all the tips and tricks you need for fry success. Are you ready to make the best fries of your life? Grab your potatoes, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this delicious journey together. We'll slice, soak, and fry our way to potato perfection, step by step. I'll show you how to get that perfect texture, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. This isn't just a recipe, it's a kitchen adventure. You'll learn new skills, have some laughs, and end up with a snack that's sure to impress. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. There's nothing like the feeling of making something amazing from scratch. By the end of this, you'll be a fry-making superstar, ready to wow your friends and family with your crispy creations. Let's turn humble potatoes into a 5-star snack, one that looks as good as it tastes and is sure to disappear fast. It's going to be a blast, filled with laughter, good vibes, and of course, plenty of crispy potatoes to share. Homemade fries and chips, simple, delicious, and totally worth every minute. Get ready to dip, crunch, and savor every bite. Let's go! Get ready for crispy, golden goodness that'll have everyone asking for seconds. Let's make some memories and some amazing fries together! What is it about a crispy potato that's so completely irresistible? Why do we find ourselves craving that golden crunch, whether it's a basket of fries or a bowl of chips? There's just something magical about the way a potato transforms when it's cooked to crispy perfection. It's all about that crunch, that satisfying sound and feel when you bite down. It's almost like music for your mouth. The first bite is pure bliss. A crackling golden exterior gives way to a soft, fluffy inside. It's a texture party in your mouth, a contrast that keeps you coming back for more. Each bite is a little celebration of flavor and feel. Fries and chips aren't just food, they're an experience. They're the centerpiece of late-night hangouts, the highlight of road trips, and the comfort food we reach for after a long day. They go with burgers, steaks, or shine solo as the star snack. No matter the occasion, fries and chips fit right in, making every meal feel a little more special. Potato chips are the ultimate treat for movie nights or parties. They're the snack you can't stop reaching for, the one that disappears before you know it. Crispy, salty goodness. Comfort food at its finest. That perfect balance of crunch and salt is what makes them so addictive. The love for crispy potatoes is universal. Every culture has its own fried potato dish. From Belgian frites to Indian aloo bhujia, from American curly fries to British chips, the world agrees. Crispy potatoes are pure joy. Sharing fries or chips brings people together and creates memories. There's something about passing a bowl around that sparks laughter and conversation. Making them at home feels like unlocking a secret kitchen skill. You control the crispiness, the seasoning, and the satisfaction of creating something amazing from scratch. Serve up a plate of homemade, super crispy fries and you'll feel like a rock star. The aroma alone is enough to draw a crowd to your kitchen. Your friends and family will be amazed. Watch their faces light up as they taste the results of your effort. There's nothing quite like it. It's that sense of accomplishment that makes them taste even better. You made something delicious, and you get to share it with the people you care about. You took a simple potato and made something special. With just a few steps, you turned an everyday ingredient into a crispy masterpiece. That's the magic of home cooking. It's about creativity, connection, and the joy of making something with your own hands. Crispy potatoes, more than a snack, they're a celebration. They bring people together, spark joy, and turn ordinary moments into something memorable. So let's dive in and make some memories. Ready for the crunch? Let's do this! Grab your favorite dip, gather your friends, and celebrate the simple pleasure of crispy fries and chips. Before we dive into the world of perfect fries, let's make sure we have everything we need. Getting your tools and ingredients ready ahead of time makes the whole process smoother and way more enjoyable. First up, you'll want a sharp chef's knife for clean, even cuts, a sturdy cutting board to keep things safe, and a vegetable peeler if you prefer your fries without skins. A good peeler can save you a lot of time and effort. Next, grab a couple of large bowls. These are perfect for soaking your cut potatoes, which helps remove excess starch and makes your fries extra crispy. For frying, a heavy-bottomed pot or a Dutch oven is ideal. These hold heat well and help maintain a steady temperature, which is key for golden crispy fries. A spider strainer or a slotted spoon is essential for lifting fries out of hot oil safely and efficiently. It keeps your hands away from the heat and lets excess oil drain off. Don't forget a baking sheet lined with paper towels. This is where your fries will rest after frying, allowing any extra oil to drain off and keeping them crisp. Now let's talk potatoes, the real stars of the show. Choose starchy varieties like russet or Idaho potatoes. Their high starch content and low moisture make for fries that are fluffy inside and perfectly crisp outside. Avoid waxy potatoes like red or new potatoes. They tend to hold their shape and moisture, which can leave you with limp, soggy fries instead of the crispy ones we're after. When it comes to oil, pick one with a high smoke point. Vegetable, canola, or peanut oil are all great choices. These oils can handle the high heat needed for frying without burning or smoking up your kitchen. Make sure you pour in enough oil so your fries can float freely while cooking. This helps them cook evenly and get that irresistible crunch. For seasoning, start simple. Kosher or sea salt is perfect for bringing out the natural flavor of the potatoes. Sprinkle it on while the fries are still hot so it sticks well. Of course, you can get creative with spices later. Think garlic powder, paprika, or even a dash of cayenne for heat. But salt is always the foundation. That's it. Just a handful of simple tools and ingredients, but together, they set the stage for fry greatness. With your kitchen organized and everything in place, you're ready to make fries that rival your favorite restaurants. Let's move on to prepping those spuds. Give them a good wash and get ready to transform them into something delicious. Ready to slice? Grab your knife and let's get started on the path to perfect homemade fries.
Know you've been a good friend.
Time to prep our potatoes. Scrub them clean under cool water. Peel them if you want a classic look, or leave the skins on for rustic flavor. For fries, cut potatoes into even sticks, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Uniform size means even cooking. For chips, slice super thin. Use a mandolin for best results and use the hand guard. As you cut, drop slices directly into a bowl of cold water. This prevents browning and keeps them fresh. The cold water bath is the first step to crispy perfection. Don't pile them on the board, straight into the water. Whether you're making fries or chips, even cuts in a cold soak are key. Homemade means a little imperfection. Embrace it. Once sliced, let them soak while you prep for the next step. Simple, right? Let's get those spuds ready for crunch time. Next up, the secret to ultimate crispiness. Stay tuned. Here's the secret. Soak your cut potatoes in cold water. This removes excess starch, which can make fries gummy. Soak for at least 30 minutes. Longer is even better. You'll see the water turn cloudy. That's the starch leaving. This step is crucial for that light, crispy crust. After soaking, drain the potatoes well. Now dry them thoroughly. Water and hot oil don't mix. Lay potatoes on a towel, pat dry, and press gently to remove all moisture. Dry potatoes mean crispy fries. It might seem like extra work, but it's worth it. A dry potato is ready for frying glory. Soak, drain, dry. These steps make all the difference. Ready for the main event? Let's fry. Get your oil hot and your potatoes ready. The crunch is coming. Let's do this. It's fry time. We're using the double fry method for ultimate crispiness. First, heat oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit in your heavy pot. Fry potatoes in batches. Don't overcrowd. The first fry cooks them through. They'll look pale and soft. Remove, drain on paper towels, and let cool for at least 20 minutes. Now, Crank the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the second fry. Return cooled potatoes to the oil in batches. This time, they'll turn golden and crispy in just 2-3 minutes. Watch closely. They crisp up fast. Lift them out, drain again, and get ready for seasoning. The double fry is the secret to restaurant-style fries at home. It's easy, effective, and totally worth it. You can even do the first fry ahead of time for easy entertaining. Golden, crispy perfection right in your kitchen. Ready for the finishing touch? Let's season and serve. Your fries are about to become legendary. Get excited. Let's move on. Fries are hot and crispy. Time to season. Salt them immediately after frying so it sticks perfectly. Toss in a bowl with kosher salt for that classic flavor. Want to get creative? Try garlic powder, smoked paprika, or a pinch of cayenne. Mix your favorite spices and make it your own. Dips? Ketchup is classic, but try garlic aioli or spicy mayo for a twist. Turn fries into a meal chili cheese fries, poutine, or loaded with bacon and sour cream. Your homemade fries are the perfect base for endless creations. Have fun and experiment. The possibilities are endless. Make it your signature snack. Enjoy every bite. French fries and potato chips, 2 snacks, 1 humble potato. Fries are thick sticks, chips are paper-thin rounds. That simple cut changes everything. Fries, crispy outside, fluffy inside, a hearty side or meal. Chips, pure crunch, perfect for snacking. Fries let the potato flavor shine. Chips are all about seasoning and crispiness. Both are delicious in their own way. Which is better? That's up to you. Fries are satisfying and pair with meals. Chips are the ultimate snack for any occasion. No wrong answers, just tasty options. The real winner? You, for mastering both. Enjoy the best of both worlds. Celebrate your potato creations. Snack time just got a major upgrade. Time for some fun potato facts. Did you know potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space? They're the world's 4th largest food crop and originally from the Andes. Ready to mix things up? Try sweet potato fries for a new flavor. Experiment with shapes, waffle fries, steak fries, or curly fries if you have the tools. Want a lighter option? Bake your fries. Toss with oil and seasonings, spread on a baking sheet, and roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy. Flip halfway for even cooking. For extra crunch, toss soaked and dried potatoes with a little cornstarch before frying. The cornstarch creates an even crispier crust. Try it and see the difference. Cooking is about experimenting and having fun. Make each batch your own. Keep exploring new twists. Happy frying!